Okay guys, so today we are reviewing in general a USB AC outlet combo. I purchased 3 actually, and they've been working pretty well for the last 9 months. One says AIJOY, and then we've got 2 that says SafeMore. The form factor is pretty compact, although the AIJOY is a little thicker, but it doesn't really make that much of a difference. They're all light. So I'll give you the or not very heavy, I should say. These are the boxes that they arrived in, and I'll give you the stats, and the stats work for both the AIJOY and the SafeMore. So we've got 6 outlets that you can see, and then we've got 3 USB ports. They say it's 5 volts each. It has a pretty robust cord, and it's 6.5 feet. Each has a switch. So here we go. There's a switch here and a switch here. So you can tell if the item is actually working or not because there's an indicator light for this one. For the AIJOY, there's a little not USB, but a LED indicator right here. And the only difference basically is that this is a little thicker, and there's a horizontal as opposed to a vertical USB array. They say it's fire retardant. It feels like hard plastic, and the reasons I purchased is this. One, you can actually have a bunch of different items plugged in all at once, and if you are leaving, let's say you're going on vacation or you're leaving for a few days or whatever, you can just click the switch and everything is shut down until you return. So that's just one switch turns everything off. 2, the USB array, basically it's you don't have to purchase a bunch of these things. So after a while these become pretty expensive, and I guess you have to know where you put them, and if they get lost and blah 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 blah. So if you need, let's say for example, you've got a USB for your phone, you can plug it in here. You've got you can even plug in our items here. You can see let's see. You can have our USB plugs, or you can even use it as a night light. So if you've got a little one of those LEDs, you can plug them in here, and you got a night light, or even for your desk if it's at night or something, or you need it for a floor light or something. It's pretty convenient. So that's it for today. It's definitely something, if you're thinking about, you can forget about these for the most part, and it works pretty well. All right, till next time.